Year-old woman died from a butt lift. I would say condolence to the family. Condolence to the family that have to go through this carelessness. Condolence to the kids them, if she have kids, that have to go through this form of abuse and this form of carelessness. Like I said, condolence to the family that have to be put through this form of carelessness. And condolence to the kids, if she have any kids, who have to go through this form of carelessness. Right? Now, I say this and I will say it again. I say this on my live a lot of times. And I will go on Cash Screen and Shan. I will say this on my sexy wagwan. I will say this on my live and I'm not going to stop saying. I don't have any sympathy for any woman who inject anything in their body or do things to their body if something happened to them. I don't have any sympathy. I do not have any sympathy for any female who inject things in their body or do things to their body to impress others. I don't feel sorry for them. I don't have any sympathy for them under any circumstances. Who don't like me, don't like me. I could care zero. But I feel sorry for the family that have to put through this form of behavior from this woman that died at 52 years old. Ask me the question. Do I feel sorry for her? No, I don't. Am I going to say that is sad what happened to her? No, I don't. Am I going to say, well, it could have happened to anybody? No, I don't. If there was money that had been raised, would I place it on my page? No, I wouldn't. Would you contribute? No, I would not. Under no circumstance. What I don't understand, people always use this word. It's their body. Do what you want to do. Right? It is your body, you do what you want to do. But then at the same time, I have a right that I can talk about something if I think something is wrong. Because I do believe that the woman them that get up and do things to their body have a big up yourself on the news song, my brother. Any female that do things to their body and feel like it is cute and it is right, you have some form of method within your life that you need fixing. And you cannot walk around and tell me that you are a normal person. You are not a normal person. Now this woman is 53-year-old now. 53-year-old. Been around the block. Been through the worst in her life. Possible have pitney. Whatever it is. You get up as a 53-year-old woman and find yourself carelessly in a somebody house. For them, go inject something in your body because you want to impress young boy. You want to impress young boy, or you want to feel like you have what it takes to have a backside. Put your grand pitney and your pitney them and your husband if you have one through all kind of thing. And then after you put yourself on, you expect family to bury you. Now here's my thing, and I will say it over and over. And the word remain the same. If you never born with a good, left it alone. God know why I make you with a big. If you're born and your breast them was stiff and it get long, make it stay long. Because every sky juice have water in it. If you're born and your belly never big and your belly get big along the way, start nyam, exercise, take care of yourself. That is what it's called. If you're born and your body flat like Miss Chin, make your body stay flat as it is. Because it no make a difference if you put on body yes or no. One thing with man, as long a lot of you black women, I am not talking about Chinese women. or Spaniard. I'm talking about black woman, especially some of the Jamaican woman. Some of the woman still pay rent, have car payment, work credit as money, get one credit card, run up a credit card, max it out and a credit card charge off. Not only that too, get one car and never pay it off and repo man come feed. You don't have any interest of paying the credit card when I use the people and money. You don't have any interest of paying the car that them repo because them take it. You don't have any interest of buying a house, but you have an interest of doing your butt and your breast and your... That is your priority. You live on a block where roach and rat live in your house and them not pay rent. And you continue to pay $1,200 and $1,300 and $1,500 every month for rent. You not get tired at some point, say you want to come out of the rent house and you want to pay off the car where you have now, that you can better yourself. You want to go to the doctor and lay down and say, doctor, I want you to inject my body because my body too flat, my breast them too flat. This female can never explain the real reason why they want to get it, because they don't have one. Ask all of them. They cannot explain why. Let me tell you something. You are 53-year-old woman and you give your life carelessly because you want to walk like you're Beyonce or Aliberry down the road for man and say, blood clean, mama. Boy, big woman, you look good with that body there. Boy, mommy, me not lie, you think turn up and all that, and you go in a party, and you want to fling your body left, and you want to fling it right, you want to cock it out, you want to do all of that things and so forth, just the people tell us that you look good. That's how you don't do nobody. Just see a man coming in your ears and say, hey, mommy, I like that bumper there, you know. I like it. That is what you spend $7,000 for. And $10,000 for. But if I come to you and tell us a year where I go on, I have a friend who is an insurance person who sell life insurance. You tell me, say, me no want a life insurance because me not dead left nothing give to the pitney them. Me no want a life insurance because me not believe in a life insurance. How much is it a month time? Well, the life insurance is going to be $21 a month. No, me not spend no $21 a month for no life insurance. Because if me get life insurance, it's like say me know say me I go dead and me I go dead tomorrow morning. But you will take $7,000 and $10,000 and get. You see, when you did all of that to your body and you have pitney, grand pitney and pitney where you bring into this world, they do not deserve to be treated as a bastard.
Yeah, this is Ashabash representing for Sandy and Bones TV. More of the people them just like and subscribe our TV, cause I just a blessing, manifesting our TV progressing. Yeah, Nyla, scatter.